Let's see how to set up this Tapo T100 Smart Motion Sensor. I have it working here already. So as you can see, I have a lamp, and if I just move my hand in front of the sensor here, it's going to turn it on because it's connected to a Tapo plug, right? So I have the Tapo app with my Tapo T100 and my Tapo P125M, which is the plug, and I can make it work by using this hub because I have the hub here as well, right? If you don't have this Tapo app, you just need to come here to the App Store, download the TP-Link Tapo app, create your account. It's a free account, and then you just log in and you open it up and you add a new device here. All right, so I'm gonna remove the Tapo T100 from my Tapo app so I can start from scratch. You see how it works. So basically here, when you just grab this one, it comes with a plastic that you just need to remove because there is a battery inside. When you remove the plastic, the sensor starts working and it starts flashing the LED just right here, and it's ready for the setup. In this case, I already removed the plastic. I have it working. So to set up again, I need to open it, right? And here you see that I have this a tab, and I also have here indication to rotate to open the case, right? So I open here to reset it and start fresh. Let me just show here. I just need to use my fingernail and just right here, and then I just rotate and it opens. Then I just use something like this. It's a paper clip. There's a reset button that I just need to press and hold for 5 seconds. And then you just observe the LED and it starts flashing, okay? When it's flashing, because it's ready for the setup. There we go. Let me just come here to my app. And I will just come to the plus signal, add a new device, and look for sensors. And here I have the Tapo T100, that's the one. And it's going to connect to my Tapo H200, my hub. And hit next. Here the LED is blinking. And now it's going to find the hub, right? The sensor, sorry. You see that's still flashing? And the hub is going to connect to the sensor. So it's mandatory to have this hub, or you can use different hubs as well. As long as they are from Tapo, they're going to work, right? You see that stopped flashing here because it was found. And then I have the option to keep the existing configuration because I just have it working here, and then it's a pre-configured device. In your case, you're not gonna have this option. Let me just discard here because you're gonna see it that way, right? You can name your device because it's the first time you're setting it up. You're gonna name it. I will leave like this, Tapo T100, hit next, select the location, office, next. Here I can select an icon, next again, and I can check the firmware. I have the latest firmware here, so it sounds good. And I have the Tapo T100 already working here on my Tapo app. And now I can have like devices working with this one. So if I come here, I can just turn off this lamp because I have this plug, the Tapo plug. In here, I can come to Smart Actions and enable this Smart Action. You see here that I created that before. When the Tapo T100 detects motion, I can trigger the Tapo P125M, which is the Tapo plug. Okay, so it turns on and I have it working. So it's super simple like this. You can do this with any device that you have available. Let me just turn it on here. Then now the sensor is working. Let me just move here in front of the sensor and see if it's working. Not working for some reason. I think I did something wrong. Let me just, oh, now it's working. Okay. There's a timer here as well. I just need to come here to the sensor and I can set it up, right? Let me just come back here to the main screen. And now I have the Tapo T100 sensor. And from here, I can come to the settings and set up the detection interval, 16 seconds, right? If I try to make it work before 16 seconds, it's not gonna work, right? I can change here, for example, let's say 4 seconds, that's the minimum. And I come back here I have any device that I can just start doing the smart actions with my sensor. So I can do different things with different stuff like cameras, like lights, and anything that I want. Let me just turn off here the lamp, and then now it's connected to the sensor. When I move my hand, it's going to turn it on, right? Super simple. And now you can enjoy your Tapo T100, right? Super simple. Basically, that's the way you can set up a Tapo T100 smart motion sensor. I'll leave the link here in the description. And I also ask you to leave your comments, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.